Hi, today we'll be analyzing Nifty Bank Nifty for 19th July, that is on Wednesday. Uh, if you see Nifty in daily candles, it has made a red candle, but this closing is above this previous day's closing, and then it is trying to make some triangle pattern. And we are a sell off at 11:30, a sharp sell off in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you see in 1 hour, this was the trending, and then now price has retraced, but there is no follow through even in 1 hour chart. In 15 minutes, also there is not good follow through. If you can see here, it fell, but again it made a green candle, it made a red candle, but this red candle closing was not good, and there was no downward movement. So this point of 19,670 will act as some sort of resistance, and there is a triangle pattern also. So let's say if we get a cap down below 19,670 or at least 19,700, 19,700 also, then we can think of selling. So if this is the first selling, and in daily they want to give a follow through, if sellers are really strong at the top, they will open it gap down. If it is flat or even slightly gap up, then we look for buying opportunities only. If it opens flat and moves lower slowly, we can buy at this level of around 19,690, 19,700 to a target of 19,750. But for this, it should open flat, and then in first half an hour only it should trade this one. It's all 5 minutes candles should be red candles only, then we'll be taking this trade. If any green candle in between is made, then we'll ignore this trade. If it opens flat or slightly gap up and breaks this level of 19,780, maybe in the second half we can get a momentum around 19,800, 820, and this side could be taken up. So if it is a flat to small gap up in the first half, we might not get a trending move. By maybe after 10:30, 11 o'clock, we might get a move. That is for Nifty, and we are not looking to sell Nifty aggressively, because if you see, even VIX is decreasing. So in the morning it increased, but when the 11:30 negative big red candle formed, the VIX actually lowered. So if there was panic, this would have increased again. That is the one reason, and the other reason is Nifty IT. Nifty IT yesterday, day before yesterday, had made up in one, and today it did not break that low, and it is trading above the previous day's close. So if we get flat or slightly gap up opening, then again it will try to move higher and close above 31,650 level. So if this is moving higher, then Bank Nifty will definitely not fall that aggressively. That is the reason we are not looking to sell aggressively at this stage. If there is any selling opportunity, we will try to book it out on the intraday basis only, with smaller targets. We'll see when everything becomes negative, then we'll see, we'll hold the selling positions. Until unless then, we'll look for buying opportunities and selling P's only. So if you go to Bank Nifty is a little weak than Nifty, because if you see here, Nifty is gradually making a higher high, but Bank Nifty is almost flat and highs. It is making lower low, but not higher high. Here if you see, it is higher high and higher lows also. So what might happen is, this was one channel, we might form another channel here, which is slowly moving up. So it is making at 45,300 level. This was a previous where price halted, and now it is making taking support at the same level. So this was the previous all-time high, this 45,650. So we had a gap up above that level, then price took support, and then went higher, and then again from there we had a sharp selling down. This level of 45,650 is acting as a resistance. So if we get a flat to gap up opening, and this trend line is broken, we can take a small trade for this target of 45,640, and then if it holds this level and this level, by end of the day or in the second half, we can get 45,700, 750 level target also. So this selling, it might take 1 or 2 days. It might trade here, hold, and then it might break out. But the breakouts will not be that great, because we have already traveled from 39,000 to 45,400, 500. So it might move a little volatile only. So whoever bought here will be trying to book profits here, and market is trying to move higher. When those people try to book their profit, it will sell off. Then again buyers will add, it will move higher. So the movement on the upside will not be that clean and simple. Whenever there is a new high formation, there will be a sell off. If you see in weekly, this has taken out this level, but today's closing is slow. So maybe by end of the week it might close again higher. By end of the week it will try to close above 45,650. So if it is a flatter gap up opening, we'll be trading for this breakout until the target of 45,650. If it holds here, then by second half we might get a target of 700 and 750. So if this level is holded and price trades here, let's say if it is a slightly bigger gap up and it breaks this level in the first half and holds this level, maybe tomorrow on the expiry we might get a move, and which might take us above 46,000 also. If there is a big gap down, let's say a gap down below 45,200, then we might see 45,050 levels also. But we have to see how is 45,050, 80, 45,100 levels are traded. If in 15 minutes, if it is making a price action and going lower, then only we'll add positions. A price action like this in 15 candles. First it made it, then a green color 15 candles, and then a green color low of that particular green color 15 minutes candle is breaken out, then only we'll be looking for selling opportunities. So if we get again a red candle here, and this particular low is taken off, then we'll say this whatever breakout had happened has failed, and price might move lower aggressively until unless then we're looking for buying opportunities, and it might go higher slowly with volatility. Maybe in the next month we might get red candle. So if you see all three, this is the fourth month which is trading in green until now. So maybe we might get a closing of about 47,000, a big green candle like this again. And then from there it might sell off and take support at 44,000 and then move higher from there. So if this is the last leg, price might move higher pretty quickly with volatility. So for flat opening or slightly gap up opening, we'll trade for this breakout of this trend line. But the moment inside this would be choppy, it will not be fast. Once it crosses maybe 700, 750, we'll get trending move like this. Otherwise the moves will be choppy like this. Even like this also, it might move 2 candles, then come back again, then move higher again. So that is possible. That is one scenario. If you see HDFC one, this was the result. It moved higher. Today we had a gap up. Now it is covered it again. So if we get a gap up again, then it will try to move higher and close near the high of this particular candle. ICICI Bank made a negative candle at all-time high. This 9,060 was its all-time high, and it broke out. And yesterday it has made a negative candle. If it opens gap up, it will try to move higher again and close somewhere in 19,090. So in coming days it might touch 1,000 level also. If we get a gap down below 19,676, then we might see a red candle forming here, and Nifty Bank Nifty also we'll be getting a big gap down that might lead to a selling pressure. Axis Bank is becoming volatile. This was some sort of let's say support resistance level. It moved higher, took resistance at that resistance level, then moved lower again, and now again it is trading in this particular range with huge volatility. Kotak Bank is actually struggling to move higher on this level. The only good thing is it has tested this level 19,900, 19,895 level multiple times. So once it gives a breakout, it will directly move to 3% and close above 19,025. So if you can see here, this 19,000 level, this was the first time, this was second, this was third, this was fourth. It actually broke out of 19,000. This again here 19,000, again here 19,000. So if we get a gap up today somewhere, let's say around 18,960, 18,000, 1,895, 96 or 98, around that level, and it breaks 19,000 and makes a solid 15 minutes green candle, and there is a follow through of that particular green candle, then today we might get a 2% move also. So SBI is also becoming volatile. This was the selling area, and again from that particular reason only we had a selling, but price has altered this level for a long time, so we might see a recovery. If it is a gap up, then again we might see 600 levels. And the only situation, if it is a gap down below, let's say 590s, 588, 586, or somewhere gap down around this level, then it might break this level also and close at least below 582, 583. So everything becomes negative only when there is a big gap down, otherwise it is sideways to bullish only. So IndusInd Bank is also holding this level. This was the all-time high, and it is holding. So if we get a gap up, then it might try to close above these levels of 19,400. So this 400, it has tried multiple times but is unsuccessful to close above 1,400. So if we get a gap up today or even flat opening and breaks this particular trend line, it might move higher and close above 1,400 by maybe today, end of the day. That's it. Thank you.